Let's take another example to understand platform hierarchy. Travel booking is another advertiser under the same ABC agency in the platform. Travel booking as advertiser under the ABC agency. These advertisers wants to run video, display and YouTube campaigns. Under display, they want to use retargeting and prospecting strategy. So they created one IO for prospecting and one IO for retargeting. This advertiser want to run three different audience segments like in market, affinity and lookalike. So they created three line items for each one under prospecting strategy. They created one line item for each audience segments to monitor the performance of each one. And for each line item, they want to run three different creatives with different ad sizes and also ad messages. They created three creatives at advertiser level, and these three creatives are assigned to line item. Booknow.com wants to create a new campaign in DV360. This advertiser wants to run video, display and YouTube campaigns. They created single campaign for each one. They created campaign for video, display, YouTube individually. For display campaign, they want to use prospecting and retargeting strategies. They created separate IOs for prospecting and retargeting. Under this retargeting, they want to target audience who visited their website and also use third-party data. They created separate line items for third-party data, website visitors and third-party data too. Under these line items, they want to run three creatives in rotation with different ad messages. When compared with other line items, YouTube line item differs. An additional layer called ad groups comes into picture after line item. Ad groups holds number of ads. Ads are nothing but creatives. Let's take an example. There is an advertiser called repeat.com. This advertiser wants to run a YouTube campaign. He wants to use ad formats like bumper, in-stream and skippable. Audience targeting used for this campaign are affinity, in-market and lookalike. In this campaign, they want to run three YouTube URLs with different ad messages. Under ABC agency, repeat.com can be created as advertiser. Under this advertiser, YouTube can be created as separate campaign. Under this campaign, three IOs can be created. One is for bumper, one is for in-stream and one for skippable. Under each IO, three line items can be created, targeting with different audience segments. So under this in-stream, we can create in-market, affinity and demo line items. Under each line item, one ad group can be created and targeted with respective audience. Under this ad group, three ads are added as a rotation. Here is another example for YouTube campaign. Everything is same as previous. There is a small change. There are three creatives in this campaign. Each creative is running in different flights within the campaign flight. So this can be created in a campaign as line items with different flight dates, and each line item is targeted with respect to audience targeting so that each ads runs in different flights.